we hope to get what we ask for. That's exactly it. Okay.
Is that the carbon
Sorry,
tax?
can I just clarify who has invited you in, and just clarify the name of that person?
I wish not to discuss that at the minute. Okay.
What are you asking for specifically?
What are we asking for? The demands that we've been talking about all week. It's well broadcasted now, so you're all well aware of it. The public is well aware of it. People of the island of Ireland is well aware of it. So, look, we're very hopeful. But look, we're up against a tough government here. So, see how we get on. Okay.
And is there a specific organisation you're going to be teaming up with heading inside?
Well, there is specific organisations in there, but we're going in there with advice for the people of Ireland. That's all I can tell you. Thank you very much.
Will you call off the protest after this meeting?
We will. If there's a good result, we'll call off the protest.
And what does a good result look like for you?
Look, we're just going in here and we're very hopeful. That's the only thing I can say, okay? There's no point in sending out the wrong messages and the wrong vibes, okay? Thank you very much.
Is a price cap a red line, John?
Sorry?
Is a price cap a red line for you going in?
Look, that's hard to answer. Look, we have the list of demands there, so we'll see what happens, okay?